Hello students, I'm your teacher Eram Samantha, teaching you social science in class 1. Today we're going to acquire a knowledge about weather and season. How many hours do we have in a day? 24 hours. How many days in a week? 7 days. And how many months in a year? 12 months. This is a picture of day and night. The change between day and night is caused by the rotation of the earth around the sun. Daytime occurs when the sun appears and between evening and morning. The time of darkness is called night. Days, weeks, and years are caused by the earth's rotation around the sun. Change in the season also occur due to it. 7 days and nights are called 1 week. 4 weeks makes 1 month and 12 months make 1 year. 1 year means Earth moving around the sun and complete its circle or orbit. This movement around the sun make changing in the weather and season. What is weather? The condition of the atmosphere changing time to time or from day to day is called weather. It is a daily state of the air pressure and temperature in any place. How and why does the weather change? Daily change in the weather is due to wind. Moving air is called wind. Here are different types of weather in a day: sunny, rainy, cloudy, hot, cold, windy. The weather is very important for people. It affects their comfort, their food supply, and even their safety. The weather changes from day to day. It can be hot, cold, sunny, windy, dry, or wet. What are these weather? Sunny, cloudy, windy, and rainy. Let's know about them one by one. Sunny weather. On some days, the sun shines brightly and there are no clouds in the sky. The weather is warm and sunny. The sun gives us heat and light. If you walk or stand in the sunshine for too long, you will begin to feel very hot. It's a sunny day. Cloudy weather. And suddenly sun disappears in the clouds. Now there are lots of dark clouds in the sky. It is cloudy. The weather is changed now from sunny to cloudy. Windy weather and heavy storm. Look at this picture. Sometimes winds blow very hard. Look at this picture. The weather is windy. Air pressure of moving is very high. The weather is fairly cold and a fairly strong wind is blowing and sky become dark. Look at this picture. When winds blow, sky become dark. After dark cloudy sky, strong wind is blowing. Soon it's begin to rain. The weather is rainy. Children, Do you know what is rain? Water that fall and drop from clouds in the sky is called rain. Children enjoy a lot in this rainy season, as nowadays we have a rainy weather and we all enjoying it. And after rain again weather is changed. It because sun again appear and the sky is clear now. No clouds are there. Here is rainbow in the sky. It is a colorful light appear in the sky with these 7 colors. Okay, which day is this? In winter season, if weather gets so cold, then it's begin to snow. It is called snowy day. What do you see in this picture? What is weather like? It is a chart for a week weather. Like on Monday, it's a cloudy day. On Tuesday is a sunny day. On Wednesday, it's windy. Then Thursday, it's again cloudy. And on Friday, it's rain. Saturday, again windy. And Sunday, sunny day. Now you understand that how weathers change time to time or day to day. Season. What are seasons? Seasonal change are due to the earth revolving around the sun. Earths take 1 year to complete it, one revolution around the sun. So in a year we have 4 seasons: winter, autumn, summer, spring. These are 4 seasons. Come on, repeat after me. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. These are the picture. They will show you it's a summer, it's a spring, it's a autumn, and it's a winter. Summer, winter, autumn, and spring. Let's discuss about them. It's a winter. Winter is the coldest season with the lots of snow in some areas. In winter, days are short and nights are long. We wear boots, scarves, coats, woolen caps, and also use blankets. We enjoy a lot in this season. We have dry fruits, oranges, boil eggs, and wear warm clothes. We also celebrate Christmas and New Year in this season. In winter, the weather is cold and snowy. Okay, which season is this? Spring. How you know this is spring season? Everywhere flowers and colorful. Springs come after winter. It is a time when snow start melting and rain a lot, and new flowers and leaves appear. The weather begin to get warmer. Greenery is all around. Weather is calm and pleasant. In many areas, spring season celebrated by flying kites. Kids love to play outside because it is not too hot. We use umbrella and raincoat to protect ourselves from rain. It is rainy weather in this season. Okay, which season is this? Summer. Look at here. These are some pictures of summer. Summer comes after spring. It is the hottest and sunny time of the year. The days are long and the nights are short. We use hats, sunglasses, and wear soft and loose dresses to allow us to move comfortably in hot, dry weather. In most countries, schools were closed for summer break. We like to go for picnics at seaside. We like to eat light food and drink cold water and juices. Children mostly like to play indoor games or they go for swimming in the pools. Ice cream and mangoes are main part of the summer season. Which season is this? What do you understand? Leaves are falling from the tree. Everything dry and leaves color are changed. Autumns come after summer. It has dry weather but much colder than summer. There are many more rain in this season. Plants start to lose their leaves. At this time, leaves are changing their color and start falling. We wear not too light clothes as we wear in summer because it is not too hot. Children likes to play in playground. Okay children, this is all about weather and season. In easy words, we say daily changing in the weather are due to wind and storm. Seasonal changes are due to the earth revolving around the sun. I hope you all understand weather and season very well. Here is some home task. How many seasons are there? Name them and draw their pictures also. There are 4 seasons: winter, summer, autumn and spring. Which season is this now? This is the autumn season. Which season you like most? You have to write which season you like and give 2 reasons for it, why you like that season. What does sun give us? Sun give us heat, light and energy. Okay, fill in the blanks. In summer, weather is dash. In summer, weather is hot. In winter, weather is dash. In winter, weather is cold. In spring, weather is dash. In spring, weather is calm and pleasant. In autumn, weather is dash. In autumn, weather is dry and rainy. One more question. Name some weathers and draw their pictures also. Okay. Note for you. All activities and home tasks do in your social science copy. When you resume your classes, marks will be given on the basis of work and activity. It is the end of our lesson. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy all the season and rainy weather also. Goodbye, children.